Today we're going to be replacing the headlights, front headlights on this Peugeot 307. That's all of those. So we've released the front. I just want to get over here where there's usually a 10mm up here, but it's been replaced with a cable tie on this side. So I'll just break that off. Once that's out, just pulls away like that. Well, as you can see, the cable tie is strong with this car. That's seen better days. And then we just got our 10mm. Where is it? Just in there. There it is. Okay. Marvellous. That means now you can get nice easy access to both lights. And then just undo these. One more, where are you? Ah, there you are. Making some rattling noises. Just pull that red tab up, so it's down there, and you just pull it out. Ooh. There we go. Both out. Looking very naked, isn't it? Before we bolt back up the bumper, it's a good idea to check whether the lights are all working now before we refit it, because it's much easier just to pull another light back out to change the bulb than it is to try and do it from reaching around the back. Interestingly, this had snapped off of the old headlight, but so you just snug that down, hold it in place a little bit extra. Everything's back together now. Bumper's all refitted. There are quite a few clips missing on this. Just there's not really much we can do about that. It's been this way for quite a long time. But those headlights look great, don't they? Look at that. Look much better than the old ones that were on it. These are second hand, they're not brand new, but they're a darn sight better than what he had, so I'm sure he's going to be pleased with it. And that's it. That's how you change the headlights on a Peugeot 307.